Just look at that. Oh, that is sensational. It's thick, it's cheesy, it's gooey. Got our sauce in there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, creamy beef pasta in 15 minutes. A one-pan dinner everyone loves. Let's get on and do it. Garlic, peppers, onion, pen pasta, which we're going to put on to boil behind me. 1 minute less than the packet instructions, so it's still firm, al dente. I've got minced beef, passata. Passata is half a tin of tomatoes blended, because I'm cheap. Passata costs a fortune. There you go. Right, another bits and pieces which will all come together. Let's get on and do it. Come on. On there, a little bit of salt in there, pasta in there. We want to keep some of the pasta water, so let's have that on behind. Come on. As far as pasta goes, use anything you like. Garlic, let's give it a mincing. Come on. Now this is a 15-minute cook from when you've prepped your ingredients. Garlic on there. We have a pepper, a bell pepper or capsicum, depending where you are. Is optional, you don't have to include it if you don't want, but you know, it works really well in a creamy pasta dish. We want some cubes. Onions, I've got a couple of onions. Again, we want cubes. Nice and straightforward. As big as small as you like, it doesn't matter. In the same bowl, they're all going to get cooked together. This is a real easy cook, and it's really tasty. That's it. Let's get cooking. A little bit of olive oil. Now if you've got really fatty beef, you might not need it. In there with your beef. This is still half frozen. A little bit of seasoning on that meat. There's some salt on there. A little bit of black pepper. Now watch the seasoning, because we are going to be seasoning up as we go. Start breaking it down and cook it off. We want to brown this. It's a real straightforward cook. It's delicious. Just break it up as you go with a mince and brown it off. Come on. Okay, a splash of Worcester or Henderson's, up to you. In there. Now, of course, if you don't eat beef, make it with pork, make it with chicken. Minced chicken, minced pork, it doesn't matter. Entirely up to you. Right, let's have a little bit of browning on here if we can, a little bit of a tinge. Makes it look a bit more attractive than just grey meat. Okay, drain and strain your pasta. Okay, keep the water. We want to use the water. Or keep a little bit of the water. Come on, let's get some colour on here. Well, we're getting a little tinge there, look. That's what we want. We want a little bit of colour in here. In there, some butter. Shove that in, come on. And then in with the onions and pepper. Fabulous. In there, onions and pepper. Little start on there. Soften it up. So it's only about 3 to 4 minutes tops on this. Okay, and then we want to be going in with the garlic about 30 seconds. Okay, clear yourself a space. In there, that garlic. Bring it in. Fabulous. Clear a space. A little bit of balsamic. Balsamic vinegar in there. Now, you can use white wine. You can use about 60 mils of white wine. I'm using balsamic. Just give it a little bit in there just to cook off. Right, in it goes. Come on. In there, passata, or my way, blended tin tomatoes. Bring that in. Looking lovely. Oh yeah. Couple of tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste, whatever you know it by. Let's have that in. Right, we're going to start introducing our seasonings. That's chili flakes. Now I'm going to use Italian seasoning and oregano. That is Italian seasoning. That is dried oregano. We're going to do a bit of salt. I'm going to do some pepper. I'll do a little bit of sweet paprika. We're just going to bring that in, and we're going to add our beef broth and our cream. Let's just get some flavouring on there. Smells absolutely incredible. I could just eat that with crusty bread. In there, beef broth. Now this has been made with gravy granules. Give it a stir in. Oh, we're looking fine there, look at that. Okay, in there, cream. Bring it in. Now I want about 3 or 4 minutes on this. It should start to thicken a little bit. Right, 3 or 4 minutes, let it thicken, nice and steady. Okay, when you've had a couple of minutes, it's in there with our pasta. Bring it in, come on. Oh, that looks sensational. That looks a bit special. On there, mozzarella. And what we're going to do is stick a lid on for 1 minute just to melt this on here. Now you could do this a different way. If you had a pan that you could shove under the grill, you could brown this. On there, Parmesan. All freshly grated, as you can see. Grab a lid, 1 minute, melt it all on the top so you get all that goo. Okay, oh look at that. On there, bit of parsley, come on. Flame off, and we can serve. Just look at that. Oh, that is sensational. It's thick, it's cheesy, it's gooey. Got our sauce in there. Look at that creamy beef pasta. About 15 minutes. Oh, that is outstanding. Come on, we're in. Oh, gooey. We got that gooiness in there. Might be too much there, look, come on. That is outstanding. That is fabulous. Got the onions, the peppers, our seasoning is balanced. Unbelievable. You've got that balsamic, you've got the tomato. Oh, it's creamy, it's fabulous. That really is a fabulous pasta dish. So tasty, good family meal, can be frozen. So there you are. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make this fantastic creamy beef pasta in 15 minutes. There you go. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video. Oh yeah, that is amazing.